Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but it will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement on this one. I mean, you stop and think about that. The price spent the majority of the day down there, and then all of a sudden worked its way all the way up there. So any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a great move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the $1.20 mark. Why is $1.20 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen. But just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to $1.20, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back downwards, what would you have in that situation? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $1.20. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let me squeeze down the chart here to offer up a bit more context. Next key overarching level to watch closely moving forward, you're going to be right up here at the $1.70 mark. So $1.70, public enemy number one. And then you also want to keep an eye on that pink line up there, the 200-period moving average, which is valued right now at $1.81. But one hurdle at a time, and that first hurdle, again, being at $1.70. All in all, very impressive movement this afternoon. Big movement, big volume. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.